What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, we are going to be doing a continuation of our 30 days make money online challenge, where we try to make money on Clickbank using 100% traffic starting from scratch. So today is the number 23rd day, and I'm going to be updating you guys on what has been going on inside the Clickbank accounts, and also what has been going on inside the different social media accounts that we are posting content to try and get traffic and hopefully make our first sale by the end of the 30 days. So today is the 23rd day, which means that we have only 7 days for this challenge to end, and hopefully we are going to make money by the end of this. And all of this, we are doing it using 100% free traffic, because if we are using, for example, paid traffic, it should have taken us, for example, a day or two for us to make our first sale. But in this particular challenge, we are starting from scratch without having to spend any money at all, and creating all the social media accounts and driving traffic from scratch. So that is why it's taking a lot longer for us to try to actually make a sale using 100% free traffic, because when you are getting started with free traffic from scratch, you are going to do a lot of work. You are going to do a lot of work by creating the social media accounts, and when you create social media accounts, you are going to start getting traffic, and that is when you can actually make a sale. So what we are doing in this particular journey is that we are building assets, because these social media accounts are going to be like our assets, because you are going to be posting contents there all the time. And once they grow and we have, for example, 5,000, 10,000 plus followers, we are going to be getting regular traffic from these different social media accounts. So first of all, let me show you guys the TikTok accounts, or let me show you guys what has been going on inside the TikTok accounts. Then later I'm going to come back to, and we're going to go to our dashboard and check if you actually make any money. And also I'm going to show you the stats of what has been going on exactly inside our Clickbank account. So right here, we go right to my TikTok account. You can see from here I've been posting different styles of content right here. As you can see, we're still getting some low views, and some of the videos I'm posting are getting views, some higher views. And you can see I'm testing different styles of content. You can see I'm still trying, for example, these are, for example, exercise videos. You can see I've posted this type of content right here that I show you guys in the last video of posting it on Pinterest. I've taken this type of content. I want to test it on TikTok and see if it's going to work a lot better on TikTok. So you can see our other videos. For example, this one is getting up to 74 views. Some of them are still getting low views. And you can see right here, as I started testing this particular type of content today, and you can see I just posted this one right here today, and you can see we have already gotten up to 455 views on this one right here. And just an image, you can see from here, you can see strongest belly fat burner drink to lose 50 pounds in 30 days. And you can see from here, as I showed you guys in the last video, this is just an image that you are going to download from Pinterest. There's already thousands of this type of videos already on Pinterest, and all I did is that I just downloaded the image and I just posted it on TikTok. And you can see from here it's already gotten up to 400 views. And you can see I've already gotten 4 likes from here, and hopefully already getting some clicks from this particular post from here. So in the upcoming days, I'm going to be trying this type of content more and see if we are going to be getting consistent views from this. So if you're getting consistent views from this, I'm going to be posting that a lot more than the before and after weight loss inspiration videos. So that's what has been going on inside the TikTok account of things right here. So I'm going to continue be posting here every single day, so that we're going to continue to be getting as much traffic as possible from this particular account right here. So let's go and check this other social media accounts. So let's go back right here. If you go right here to our Instagram accounts, you can see this is our second Instagram account. From here you can see I'm still posting content right here, and most of the content are not getting a lot of views, because it's going to take a lot more time for us to get a lot more recommendations on our Pinterest, on our Instagram account. It's going to take a lot more time, but once our account is established and has a lot more followers and a lot more views, it's going to get more recommended, and we're going to get a lot more traffic faster from here. This is our first Instagram account. From here you can see I'm still posting content on there, and you can see the views are still coming. They're not very fast because we're still starting to grow this account right here. So that's the guys for the Instagram. I'm still posting consistently on this account right here. So we go, for example, to Pinterest. You can see right here, this is our first Pinterest account that we created. From here, as you can see, I'm still posting different styles of contents from here on this account. So if I reload this, I'm still posting different styles of contents from here, and you can see we're actually getting now a lot of impressions from here. So if we continue growing this account right in 2 months time, you're going to see that we're going to get a lot of traffic, and we're going to be getting a lot of clicks from this one Pinterest account from here. And right now we have a lot of Pinterest accounts, because we're trying to drive as much traffic as possible to our affiliate offer. So if I go right here, so let me check the analytics from here and click from here, and let's check out analytics. You're going to see that as we're posting content every single day, that is how we're getting a lot more impressions, and we're also getting a lot of people that are clicking and going back to our affiliate offer. So as I told you guys, in this particular journey, all you're going to do to start getting traffic and actually start making sales is by being consistent. Once you create a social media account, all you're going to do, you're going to post in every single day on the social media accounts, because the more you post, that's the more traffic you can go and get, and that's how you can actually get people to click and go back to your affiliate offer, and that's where you're going to make money, and you're also going to be growing an audience on these different social media accounts. So you can see from here right now we're getting almost 2,000 impressions right now. You can see right here our impressions is going up and down. So all we're going to do is we're going to be posting different styles of content every single day so that we can go and get as much clicks as possible, and this is just one Pinterest account. So right now we have a lot of Pinterest accounts because today I've created 2 new Pinterest accounts, which means that we have about 8 Pinterest accounts right now. So let me just check, be around 5 Pinterest accounts right now, because this is the first Pinterest account. So let me go back right here. So this is our second Pinterest account that we created. As you can see, this is the second Pinterest account that we created from here, and all we're going to do, we're going to be continue posting content on this particular account right here. So let me show you guys so you can go and verify this. So this is the account right here, Beauty Fitness, and this is our third account that we're going to continue posting content on. This is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one that we're going to continue posting accounts right here. And let me show you guys the other one right here. This is another account that I just started today that I started posting content, so that we're going to try to get as much traffic as possible. And I also created 2 accounts today, so you can see this one. I've just started this particular account just today, and it's just 2 posts right here, and I'm going to go and add a lot more posts on this particular account. So I've created 2 more accounts today so that we can go and get as much traffic as possible in the remaining days of this challenge, and hopefully make money by the end of this challenge right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be posting different styles of content on these different accounts, and we're going to hopefully try to make money by the end of this. And the main advantage about using Pinterest is that you can go and start posting content as soon as today, and you're going to start getting free traffic as soon as today. You can go and get your first clicks as soon as today on Pinterest. That's why I'm creating a lot more accounts right now on Pinterest so that you can go and get a lot more traffic faster. So you can see from here, right now we have up to 7 Pinterest accounts, and you can see that in one month's time or in 2 months time, consistently posting on these different social media accounts right here, we are going to actually get a lot of clicks, and we can go and actually make a lot of sales from this. And this is all using 100% free traffic, and hopefully it's going to grow also like these other accounts right here. So let's go back to our Clickbank accounts and let's see exactly what has been happening inside our Clickbank account. So if I go right here, let's go back to our dashboard and let's see what has been going on inside our Clickbank accounts, if we make any money or if we did not make any money. So let me click on my dashboard and let's go to our accounts. And you can see from here we have now made our first sale, and today is the 27th day, which means that we have only 7 days for this challenge to close. That is why I'm going to be trying my best for us to try and make our first sale within these remaining days, and this is all using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. And this is the reality of you starting from scratch to make money on Clickbank with free traffic. It's going to take time, but if you are going to be consistent, by the end of the day you are going to make money consistently, because by that time you're going to grow your social media accounts where you're getting clicks on autopilot every single day. So let's go right to our reporting and let's see how much traffic we have been getting inside our accounts. So let's wait for this to load. So you can see right here, yesterday we got only 7 clicks. So some days you're going to get more clicks, some days you're going to get less clicks, because this is all using 100% free traffic. If it was paid traffic, then we can actually get a lot more clicks depending on the money we're spending every day on paid adverts. So right now, since we're using free traffic, you're going to be getting fluctuating clicks every single day. Some days you can get, for example, 20. The next day you can get, for example, 5 clicks, because our social media accounts has not yet been established where we get consistent clicks every single day. So let's check on today. Let's see how much traffic we've gotten today. You can see right here, today we have gotten 3 clicks right now. You can see right here we got 1 other impression, which means that someone actually watched our sales video and went to the sales page and went to our order page, but did not yet order. So which means that we are very close from making money from this person that actually clicked on our other page. So that's it, guys. So this is the reality of starting from scratch and trying to make money on Clickbank with free traffic. It's going to take time, it's going to take work, and you are going to make money if you continue posting content every single day and growing your social media accounts. So that's it, guys. I'm going to be showing tomorrow. I'm going to be posting a lot more content as well. I'm going to create a lot more other Pinterest accounts so that we're going to have a lot more places where traffic is actually coming from, and hopefully in the remaining 7 days we are going to make our first sale using 100% free traffic starting from scratch. So that's, guys, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, as well as I'm going to be posting a lot more videos like this after this challenge and doing a lot of different challenges on how to make money online. So that's it, guys. Take action on this and grow your social media accounts. And that is it, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video.